anang gikuha ako ang anak sa daycare. Awaloy kaayo tawon. Mag-trip pa na siya karong February. Kapoy siya mulikod na siya sa ligid. Kay unsaon man nga dili man kumo. Food drive og yun pa siyang papa palit daw mig kanang duha ka buok mag aw kanang dako nga stroller kay haron makasakay pod siya. Sila daw siya manghod. Naginoo ko ambot lang dili. Wala ko sure kay paminaw na ko dako pang stroller sa ako ah. So mauna no maglakaw lang siya sa eskwelahan. Kuhaon ako siya sa eskwelahan niya. I will take him for oops. Then I'm gonna send him also in the daycare. Hangyo in taon na siya sa ako nga di daw magpaspas ingon siya. He said not so hurry mama. Just be not stress him because he feel tired. But my son is very brave. He's 3 soon in February, but he have a lot of energy and he understands so much, you know. I feel like he is a little bit advanced. Yeah, and also the teacher said he is advanced. My boy is advanced. The brain it's like he is 3 years old soon, but his brain is like already 6 years old. Yeah, there's when he is 2, his brain they said like 5 or 6 years old brain already. The people are seeing him like that. My son is, and I'm proud of that. Very come Nels Kling. Nels Kling. This is like that. It's like that when you have like this age, cannot go home straight. Come do. Because nay, he do. Because then I need to play in the way. Now I need to go because I come. Okay. Come, let's play. Because he needs to stop and play like that. And it's very boring weather. It's gray, it's snow. Come na lang. Hello, Ilskling. Come. Okay, Yagur utande. Yeah. Without him. My little baby's there. It's complaining now. We want to lie down in mama's breast. That's why we need to go home fast, or he's gonna be crazy crying there. You know. Come na. Come. Hello. Okay, agur utande. Come. Chihuahua binta po deh ha. Come do. Pagdali. As. Ha? Come. Oh my God. Hello. Yeah. Kundin kanin tibinta mer. Come. Very cute dog. Come Ilskling, Yagur. Okay, Yagur utande Ilskling hindo. Can you say hi here? Miss Glenn, say hi.
I will shut up.
Sipa ba do? Your addict sipa so. Or like your Stora bro. Ha? You have pangahima. I found one bullet.
Sunday.
Yeah, dumosti bara pluka da bullet. Come. Yag kanyal pa de. Yag hitat in bullet. Come do. Mama hitat in. Ikan kulamer. Okay. It's clean. Yeah, I feel sorry for my 3 years old son. I feel like I'm so irresponsible. I have you little baby, but that's why. But I cannot wait long because then I am get very old already. That's why I have to do early. And then my son is already 3, so we have 1 month little brother. Yeah, I think guys we're gonna say goodbye soon because I feel freezing in my hands. Very cold this. The wind is cold and no air and no air, no sun, and it's ice. But it's it's gonna be melt soon. So it's okay. Hey, Doyle's click. We go utan de. He is tired. That's why he sit a little bit. Go. Come do. Come. I don't force him because I already feel pity for him. Come, Ilskling. Because his papa work and I am like parental leave. What is that? Maternity. Parents leave. Like, you know. Come na, Ilskling. Okay, hido do. Hido. Yeah. Then anyways guys, I was in the pharmacy today. I told you I take the Niplax non. I think Nixplanon. I think I don't remember the name. I don't read so much. So Hido. Hello, Hido. And then guys, it's very expensive. You know, I just buy one like plaster, like so you cannot feel the hurt when they put that inside, you know, in your arms. Wow. So and then I have that thing, the one I said, oh Jesus Christ, I pay like 1,000. I don't really remember, but it's 1,000 more. 1,000 something kroner. So it's very cost money, that little thing. But it's okay. Then it's like expired on at least 3 years. Then you can, I don't know if you're gonna check that or you buy another one or like that. I don't know. But yeah. So just that. And tomorrow I gonna update. I gonna put that in my arms. You know, when my midwife calling me, she said she gonna put that in my arms. And then I asked her if it's hurt like that. She said, yeah, that's why we take this plaster like anesthesia. So yeah, guys, now I feel like I cannot hold on anymore. I'm freezing, guys. I forgot my gloves. Oh, so now I need to say goodbye and see you soon again. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, like and share, and yeah, watch more on my shorts, guys. Guys, it's like I think you can learn something there, you know, about financing like that. The long form I make, the video I make long form like this, it's about my family, you know, like my life. Yeah, I gonna be parent leave all like 1 year, but we will see. Maybe I get boring, then I can work a little bit only, because I want to watch grow my little boy here. So yes, see you soon again, and thank you very much.